Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear queue on Spotify. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the Spotify application in your mobile. So now if you want to see what's in your queue, pick any song that you are listening and there is a little hamburger menu on the bottom. So you can click on that and then it will bring up your queue. There is all these songs. As you can see, I have a bunch of things in there. So if you want to clear out just one, like you are sick to listening of any song, just click on the circle next to it. It will be turned green and have a little check mark, and then you just click remove on the bottom left. So that's how you just delete an individual song. If you want to clear out the entire queue, just go up to the top right. There is a button that says clear queue. Pretty straightforward. Just click the clear queue button and now you have just deleted your entire queue and you can start over again. So that's how to clear out individual songs and your queue on Spotify. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.